Hello, my name is Travis Holzem. I am the founder of Food Forest Design Minnesota. Our vision is food forests everywhere. Why? Simply put, this is the solution to all of the world's biggest problems. When we grow poison-free, locally grown food instead of shipping it for 1,500 miles, we reverse mass extinction and deforestation. We reverse cancer, heart disease, and diabetes trends. Bill Mollison, the founder of permaculture, said, "Though the problems of our world are increasingly complex, the solutions remain embarrassingly simple." And he was right. People have been led to believe that growing food is hard and complicated, and I'm telling you that it is far from the truth. When you put a proper guild together, a guild being a community of plants that work together synergistically to support each other, some add nitrogen in the soil, some add nutrients, some deter pests, others bring in the butterflies and the bees for pollination. Then nature does all of the rest. There's a significant difference between annuals and perennials. Annuals are plants that you plant in the springtime, harvest in the fall, take the seeds, and replant them the next growing season. Perennials are plants that you put in the ground once, and they can live on for generations to come. Join us at Food Forest Design Minnesota for food freedom. In conclusion, by embracing the principles of food forestry and perennial agriculture, we can create abundant, self-sustaining ecosystems that not only provide us with nutritious food, but also heal our planet and ourselves. We invite you to join us in building a future where food forests are a common sight, contributing to a healthier and more sustainable world for all.